Today we're going to put together this nice little bike rack. Keeps everything kind of together, cleans up the space quite a bit, and it's not too bad of a project. Super easy, super simple, so you get the kid to do the work for you. Makes your job a lot easier. Come on, do more. Measurements here about 4 foot, 32 inches. It's on an average bike tire. You're gonna only go in probably about 19, maybe 20 inches.
With a spread of 2.5, give or take.
That's about 30 degrees. If you change the angle, this entire length is going to be longer. Here's my 30 degrees. It's going to take that, and this is about 20 inches long. Alright, there it is. That's pretty nice. There you go.